Alright, what is good, guys? It is July 9th, 2026, and as I said on my most recent video, I'm going to be expanding my knowledge in trading. I'm going to start learning order flow and volume profile concepts, and yeah, so I did start, and it's been going pretty good. Just very, I'm trying to grasp onto the concepts. They're definitely harder than ICT. It requires more brain power, and yeah. So first off, this was a strictly a volume profile trade. I mapped this trade out last night. Edged my TP, came back, um, hit my TP. Didn't take this. Um, the POC, I'm kind of just looking for new range POCs, right? So this was a very beautiful trade right here. You could have taken. Anyways, damn, that was 200 points. But anyways, so I was high time frame bullish, mostly because of the fact that we were trending downwards very much, and um, on this London, this this reversal right here, we had a P-shaped volume profile, right? And we also had a failed auction. Um, I hold on, let me map this out. Can't really see where the 70% is here. I think it's here. But either way, we had a failed auction. We created a P-shaped volume profile, and we've been continuing upwards. And I don't see any reasoning for the market to drop right now. Retrace is a separate story, but as far as coming back down to these lows, I don't quite see happening. So I was overall bullish this New York session. We had a swing right here. Didn't take it because number one, I'm not trading ICT right now. It was definitely a good swing, but the move wasn't like this move. Excuse me. This move wasn't the real move. So buyers stepped in really aggressive. There quite literally wasn't enough balance. Um, the market balances itself before continuing higher or lower. It needs to balance and it needs to grab more fuel. Okay. So the POC of this Asia to 830-ish range, there's a ton of volume. As you can see, we were in a very nice value area right here. Buyers and sellers agreed on price for a little bit. And then, of course, we had the failed auction to the downside, which led higher. Um, very nice move right here. Very nice to be bullish in this situation. But with this movement, I wanted to see a rebalance in price. And I'm sorry, I don't know if you can hear my mom talking. She just talks so loud on the phone. But anyway, I wanted to see these orders to get revisited, and that's exactly what we did. As you can see, we have a POC right here, um, and as the POC gets hit, I'm looking for longs here, and if we go below here, I wasn't necessarily going to trade because I was trading on my phone. I was on the go, so it wasn't really like an optimal trading setup where I could really analyze the markets. But yeah, I waited for like one or two displacement candles, and I entered. I didn't care about the fair value gap because as far as volume profile and order flow goes, these are irrelevant. And this IFVG is not why the move happened. Um, so yeah, I entered off the POC of the London session. we this is so far from what I've been learning. The breakout of the value area is a very nice can be a very nice entry when we revisit it, which is exactly what we did. We had a failed auction. We broke out to the upside, displaced above the upside for a couple hours, came down, revisited the POC, and continued higher. And I knew this trade was going to work just off basic volume profile. And I knew it was going to go up here, but I was just kind of okay with targeting this right here. I do want to be brutally honest. I did lose like 2 times trying to enter the trade, and I was trying to enter off this POC right here, which was kind of a useless POC because we just left it. If we want to grab more fuel, we're not gonna just grab this. We want to grab a little more. So I am still green, um, which is very nice. I'm up a good amount. I just want to point out to everyone that this is strictly volume profile. I didn't even get into order flow, freaking heat maps, Jex radar levels, all of this. I'm still learning. This is only like day 3 of learning. And so far, I'm starting to understand why the market does what it does. And I'm starting to understand that you don't need fair value gaps and liquidity sweeps all the time. And I'm starting to understand that the reason why these moves happen, like, for example, this move just quite frankly never happened because of this fair value gap. Like, the move simply just didn't happen because of these fair value gaps. It happened because of actual data behind these candlesticks and these charts. So yeah, 140 points, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. You shall see more and more of these concepts on my YouTube, and I'm going to get better and better at them. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you